The first Moomin theme park outside Finland. Theme park about the Moomins. Let's go. Do you know this cartoon? The Moomins are the central characters in a series of books, and a comic strip by Swedish-speaking Finnish illustrator Tove Jansson. In Japan, this cartoon is so popular. Today, let's visit the Moomin Valley Park with us in Japan. Welcome to Moomin Valley Park. This is a theme park about the Moomin characters created by Finnish author and artist Tove Jansson. Opened in March 2019 in SAITAMA Prefecture, the theme park is the first one outside of Finland, and offers visitors a look into the world of the author and her creation. The Moomin Valley Park combines both nature and entertainment about how the Moomins live in harmony with their environment. There are a number of paid attractions that are not covered by the admission ticket, including tours of the Moomin House, Little Mice attraction, the Ocean Orchestra Theatre and the Hobgoblins zipline. Among the attractions that do not require additional fees are an outdoor theatre where shows featuring some of the main characters are held, and Kokemus, a 3-story museum about the various Moomin characters and stories, their development and the author Tove Jansson. An outdoor playground is located at the top of Lonely Mountain, while small landmarks from various Moomin stories can be found scattered around the park. Outside the paid area, visitors pass through it in order to get to the entrance of the theme park. The village offers various dining and shopping options with an emphasis on the Nordic experience. Right now, let's travel Moomin Valley Park with us. In this park, you will also find several canoe stands, workshops, and designated areas for aerial athletics. You are able to enjoy strolling through Moomin Valley Park all day long. Thanks for watching. We hope you will enjoy our journey. Before we go, let's take a look at the trailer of Moomin Valley Park's night show.